Yeast infections. Introduction. Yeast is naturally found in the body. Select true or false. Correct. Yeast lives almost everywhere, including your body. A small amount of yeast is normal. Only women get yeast infections. Select true or false. Correct. The statement is false. Symptoms of a yeast infection depend on the type and location of the infection. Select true or false. Correct. Which one of the following can increase a person's chances of getting a yeast infection? Choose one of the following options. 1. Age. 2. Stress. 3. Taking antibiotics. 4. All of the above. Correct. There are many risk factors that increase a person's chances of getting a yeast infection. Once a yeast infection is treated, it won't return. Select true or false. Correct. Yeast infections may return. Talk to your healthcare provider if your infection returns. There may be an underlying cause, such as a weakened immune system.
Thank you for using Explain.